Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit photos in CapCut. So I'm just going to select a photo from my gallery, and I'm just going to select this photo, select add, and I'm just going to go to filters, and I'm just going to add filters to the photo, of course. I'm just going to go with this friends filter, and you can also adjust it here. Select the checkmark button, and you can also add any other adjustments you want to the photo. For instance, the brightness and also the contrast. I don't think this needs any more brightness to the picture. And you can even add contrast or lower it down, maybe even saturation, exposure, sharpen. You can also adjust the colors here, add in color graphs, highlight, shadow, temperature, etc. Press the checkmark button, and you can even add in stuff like stickers. So go to stickers here and add in stickers. I usually add stickers that are like a frame, like this one, and I'm just going to add it to the photo. Let's see which one I want to use. Maybe this one. Just add it. Actually, I'm going to use another one. I'm just going to select the format and make it 1 by 1, and I'm just going to resize it. Okay, the filter is still there. So let's just go to stickers again, and I'm going to just choose this one, and I'm just going to add it, press the checkmark button, and add it to the picture. And once you are done and you're just pleased with the picture, you're just going to export it. And that is pretty much how you can edit photos in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!